Here we will see progressive web app. First we will see what is progressive web app. It is a web application that uses modern web technologies to deliver an app-like experience directly through a browser. Unlike traditional websites, progressive web apps can work offline, send push notification, and can be installed on user's device, all without requiring the users to download anything from an app store. By combining the best aspects of website and native mobile apps, progressive web apps provide fast loading time, smooth interaction, and seamless user experience across all the devices and browser. The term progressive refers to the fact that these apps work for every user regardless of the browser choice or device capabilities. They progressively enhance the user experience based on what the browser and device supports, which ensures a baseline experience for everyone while providing advanced features when available. Progressive web apps bridge the gap between web and native apps by offering fast loading times even on slow networks. Then offline functionality, that is, it works without an internet connection. Then app-like interface, it gives smooth native feeling interactions. Then push notifications in progressive web app. It rearranges users with timely update even when the app isn't open. And home screen installation, it launched like a native app. The main components of progressive web apps are service worker. It is a JavaScript file that acts as a proxy between the browser and the network. It enables offline functionality and improves performance through efficient caching. Service workers run in the background independent of the web page, which allows them to intercept network requests, cache or retrieve resources from the cache, and deliver push notifications. They enhance the reliability and performance of progressive web app by managing network requests and providing offline access. Then web app manifest. It is a JSON file that provides the browser with information about your web application. This file includes details like app name, icons, theme colors, and start URL. The manifest file enables the progressive work app to be installed on the device home screen and defines how it should appear to users. It allows developers to customize the app's appearance and behavior, which ensures native-like experience. And HTTPS. Progressive web app require a secure protocol because service workers can intercept network requests and modify responses, which ensures secure and reliable functionality. HTTPS ensures that all communications between the browser and the server are encrypted, which protect user data and enhance security. It is a fundamental requirement for implementing service workers and other advanced features in progressive web app. Benefits of progressive web apps are low development costs. A progressive web app has the features of mobile app and functionalities of website, so there is a significant drop in the overall development cost. Then easy to install. A user can download progressive web app straight into his or her mobile device without paying visit to the Google Play Store, and this leads to faster installation and improves user engagement. Ability to function offline. With progressive web app, we have built-in service workers to capture essential and important information of the app automatically, which gives consistent access to the information even without an internet connection. Then push notification. It allows your business to use web push notifications for personalized communications with website visitors. Then one-click web payments. Progressive web apps are equipped with highly secure yet straightforward web standards, which make purchasing a breeze for user. The web payment functionality uses stored address and payment details rather than demanding the user to fill all details in a checkout form. Then search engine friendly. Since progressive web app is a website, it should be discoverable in search engines, which is one of the major advantages over native application. Device independence. These are device independent, which means they can function seamlessly across various platforms and screen sizes. And security. Progressive web app prioritizes security by serving content exclusively over HTTPS, which safeguards user data and interaction from unauthorized access. This encryption ensures that sensitive information remains protected during the transmission. And drawbacks of progressive web apps are limited functionality on iOS devices. Progressive web app support is still limited on iOS, as there is no direct way to add these apps to the Apple Store. Therefore, when building a progressive web app for iOS, you need to create a hybrid app with tools like PWA Builder or Cordova and no access to user data. Progressive web apps are not native applications and therefore have restrictions on accessing phone contacts, save data, or other applications. Limited access to device features. Progressive web app already has access to many devices functions, but native applications do not require a connection through browser API, which means they have access to the broader device functions. Top 5 progressive web app frameworks are Angular, React, Vue, React, and PWA Builder. Examples of progressive web apps are Telegram. It is a messaging service that works on PWA model. Platform users see no difference in the app when using it on progressive web app format or in its native version. All functions are available in any presentation, that is broadcast, file sending, channels, calls, chat, etc. Spotify. It is the most popular music streaming service in the world, which is developed with progressive web app. Users can enter the app directly from their browser and play music and videos as well as listen to podcast episodes, and the experience is exactly same on the tablets, mobiles and desktop. Flipkart. It is India's largest e-commerce website. We saw a 70% increase in conversation after implementing progressive web app. And Pinterest. It rebuilt their mobile web experience as a progressive web app, which leads to 60% increase in engagement.